Okay, what I want to show you here is something I ripped off the internet. It's a portable laundry system where you get a toilet plunger, brand new, and you put holes in it, 1, 2, 3 holes, and then just the bottom of it has one of those, funnel looking things. And then 2 buckets, one bucket, the inside bucket has a whole bunch of holes all the way down, all the way across. And then it's in another bucket that doesn't have any holes except in its lid, which is this one, and that goes over the top. Goes like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there we go. For campers, and market it to teenage boys who need to work the other arm. Whoa, there you go.